Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson. Today, we are going to learn have and has. This is one of the most important grammar lessons for beginners. If you understand this lesson, speaking English will become much easier. So, let's get started. What do have and has mean? Both have and has mean the same thing. They mean to own, to possess, or to have something. For example, I have a book. This means the book belongs to me. She has a cat. This means the cat belongs to her. The meaning is the same. The only difference is who we are talking about. When do we use have? We use have with these subjects. I, you, we, they. Let's look at some examples. I have a backpack. You have a beautiful smile. We have English class today. They have 2 cars. Can you see the pattern? Whenever the subject is I, you, we, or they, we always use have. Now let's learn has. When do we use has? We use has with he, she, it. Examples. He has a bicycle. She has a new phone. It has 4 legs. Again, he has. She has. It has. This rule is very easy to remember. Here's a simple trick. Think about the subject first. If the subject is I, you, we, they, use have. If the subject is he, she, it, use has. That's all. Let's compare. I have a dog. He has a dog. We have a car. She has a car. They have homework. It has a long tail. Notice that only the subject changes. The meaning stays the same. Common mistakes. Many beginners say, he have a car. This is incorrect. The correct sentence is, he has a car. Another example. She have a cat. Correct. She has a cat. One more. They has a house. Correct. They have a house. Remember, he, she, it has. I, you, we, they have. Now it's your turn. Choose the correct answer. Think carefully before answering. Did you get all of them right? Excellent. The best way to improve your English is to practice every day. Try making 5 sentences with have and 5 sentences with has after this lesson. The more you practice, the faster you will improve. Thank you so much for watching. If this lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. See you in Lesson 4. Goodbye.